the 2012 Dodge Challenger. This two-door, five-passenger coupe provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, leather upholstery, high-intensity discharge headlights, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.